Now, you get to a certain age and your body simply doesn't repair itself as effectively as it used to, right? We all experience this. We know that as you get it to a certain age, aches and pains last a little bit longer. If you get injured, it takes longer to recover. If you go out for a fun night in Vegas, for example, and you have too many cocktails, it takes way longer to recover than when you were 21 years old, right? When you're 29 or 30 even, right? So that ability of the body to repair itself effectively starts to reduce over time. And that's what allows leaky gut to start to propagate in a very significant way if you're not managing it effectively, right? So here's what tends to happen with people.